Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a red zone PvP system into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you around $15. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we receive these two files over here. We just need to extract both of them into our FiveM resource folder. So I'm going to extract the files over here, just like this. Now open the zone folder, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. So this is a default config zone over here. If you want only gang members can enter the zone, then keep the gang only to true, otherwise you can change it to false. So I'll be changing the true into false over here. If you want the zone dedicatedly to the gang wars or gang related things, then you can change the false into true. So this is a configured weapon for the zone over here. This is the respawn delay, auto revive time, revive keybind, and much more things. You can configure them from here. For the admin access, you have to provide your license identifier over here. Now let's check out the shop zone folder. Then go to config.lua. In the framework section and in the core name, I'll be keeping them auto over here. And from here, you can add or remove any items for the shop. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's create a red zone over here. So for that, we just do type /red zone admin. So this is the admin panel of the red zone over here. So over here, you can see the zone status, which is inactive over here. And from here, you can set up the duration for the red zone. So I'll be making it for 15 minutes. And from here, you can set up the reward system, like how much coin you will get after a single kill. So I'll be keeping it on 10 over here. Click on update reward. And the kill reward has been updated over here. After that, we just have to click on start zone. So the red zone has been started over here. Now open the map, and this is the red zone which has been started over here. Now let's teleport over here. You can configure this location from the config file. Now let's get inside. Now we are in the red zone over here, or I can say the war zone, and we got the weapon which is combat pistol. And on the top right, you can see the timer and the kill count which is showing over there. Let's suppose someone killed me over here. So I'll be setting up myself in fire. So I have died over here. And you can see the revive time has been reduced to 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, I have automatically got revived. Suppose I need to bring a vehicle inside the zone. So you can see the zone won't allow us to bring the vehicle inside the zone. If you try to get out the zone with the weapon, it will automatically take out the weapon from your hand. Now to stop the zone, we just open the admin panel for the red zone. Then click on stop zone. As you can see, the zone has been deactivated over here. Now let's open the red zone shop. For that, we just have to type /red zone shop. And over here you can see these are the items which we can buy from the shop. So as I've got 0 coins over here and 0 kills, because of that I can't buy anything from the shop. Over here you will get the list of top killers inside the server. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.